Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically translate an auto caption in YouTube. So you are going to select your video, select closed captions, and I already pressed that, but you're just going to go to settings and you're going to select this here and you're going to select auto translate, and you're going to select the language that you want the video like subtitle to be in. For instance, want it to be in Spanish, so it's going to hopefully translate this to Spanish. Let's see the translation in Indonesian. I don't think it's going to be super correct, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.